Hi, I'm Kipling, and I'm a kid who loves good food. But I wonder, what does it take to make food really delicious? Come with me as I research the science behind fantabulous food and how to cook it. This is FOOD, Culinary Science for kids of all ages. Hello, welcome back to FOOD, and today we are going to talk about popcorn. I have my two brothers here to help me.
Hello, I'm Bennett.
And I'm Quinn.
What movie are we gonna watch while we eat popcorn?
Top Gun.
We should watch Nacho Libre. He talks about corn and
Top
stuff.
Gun.
He makes food in Nacho Libre.
Let's watch Top Gun.
Why?
Because
You should watch Nacho Libre.
I'm too close for missiles. I'm switching to guns.
Where'd that come from?
Classified.
Excuse me?
That's classified. I could tell you, but then I'd have to kill you.
Okay.
You've probably made microwave popcorn like this before, but have you ever read the ingredients or wondered what's inside? Well, I'm going to read some of the ingredients. Palm oil, artificial flavors, monosodium glutamate, autolyzed yeast extract, disodium isonate, disodium glutamate, TBHQ. I don't want that in my popcorn. Do you? Well,
Nope, that sounds nasty.
Well, we're going to look inside here and see what it looks like. Oh, I wonder what's in here.
I must cut both sides of it. I think it's down in the middle. Oh my gosh, that looks disgusting.
I do not want to eat this.
That looks like Play-Doh and it smells like Cheetos. I'm
Cheetos
not
smell
lying
good,
here.
but-
It looks like Play-Doh. Oh, that feels nasty.
I don't want to touch it.
Ew.
It feels
I
like
like
fish
that.
bait. Honestly. That is disgusting.
Ew, that was nasty.
I know, it looks like someone melted a crayon and put corn in it.
Yeah.
Nasty. So orange.
Get that corn out of my face. We're going to teach you how to make your own popcorn, and it's not as nasty and it's much healthier. But first, we're going to talk about the science of how the popcorn kernels pop.
I'm too hungry for science.
Why do you always have to be judging me just because I believe in science?
Why can't we ever just have like a salad or something? What is it that makes corn pop? Every kind of corn can pop, but this popcorn right here has a thicker outer hull that's made of tightly knit fibers, which makes the popcorn have a better exploding capability, I guess.
And every popcorn kernel has a little bit of water in it, and when it gets heated up to 212 Fahrenheit, then it starts getting steam, and once it gets to 356 Fahrenheit, it gets enough steam to pop, sending the starch expanding and into a big fluffy corn, and all of that starch gets into a big fluffy corn in 1/15 of a second.
Great balls of fire. Now we're going to tell you how to make your own microwave popcorn.
We
It's
have
gonna
our
be way
supplies
healthier.
set out, and we have our paper lunch bag, non-GMO popcorn kernels, our tape, our salt, and our 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to start by putting 4 tablespoons of corn kernels in the bag. Okay.
There's 2. And there's 4.
So now
Okay.
you're gonna flatten it back out. You're gonna fold it down twice. And you're gonna tape it down.
Just like that.
Yep. And now,
First, we have to melt the butter before we put the popcorn in the microwave.
and
When you're putting it in the microwave, make sure that you have a little cover like this to go over it, because otherwise the butter will explode and get all over the microwave. It'll make a huge mess. Your mom won't like it, and we don't want to be blamed for making a big mess in your microwave. So use a cover. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the microwave. Make sure to put your cover on it. You don't want your mom to let you not make popcorn because it got the microwave messy. Now we have to let the butter melt.
Now we're gonna microwave our popcorn. Make sure you microwave it with this side up. You microwave it for 2 minutes. And once you put it in the microwave and start the microwave, you have to listen for the popping, not just walk away. Because if you walk away, it will get overcooked. And then it will not taste good.
So we're gonna set our microwave for 2 minutes, and it will probably be done before the 2 minutes are over, so we need to listen for the popping.
Talk to me, Goose. Stop.
We think we stopped it just in time, and now Quinn's gonna get it out.
Dun dun dun. Still pretty warm.
And we're gonna put in the butter while we're shaking it. I'll shake it, Bennett can put in the butter, Quinn can put in the salt.
Okay, hold it open. Shake it around. And shake it up. Okay, get the butter everywhere.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
And now we're gonna put in the salt.
Okay.
Okay, that's probably enough salt.
Shake it up more. Now we're gonna put it in our bowl. I'm hungry. This gives me no ego powers. It gives me no nutrients.
Actually, it does. It's high in fiber. Actually, it does. It's high in fiber. It's low in calories until you add butter. Weight for weight, it has more antioxidants than fruits and veggies, and more iron than beef.
And it probably will
Look
taste
a
better.
lot better than this.
Thanks. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
So we have our ingredients. We have